do. So today I'm going to show you how to put in these easy, so easy spring twists. So easy, y'all. It's so easy. I'm going to keep saying that. This is mad easy. We're going to use the color 30. I ordered them from Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. The place that I ordered them from came with 4 packs. I spent roughly $30 and I used all 4 packs with the exception of 1 twist. So I'm able to show y'all kind of what it looks like. We can take it out of the package. This is 1 spring twist. When I first started, they were this size. Okay, so my back row is a lot thinner, and I was testing out the twists. As you can see, these twists is going to the left, and I do believe this one's going to the right. You can see the difference in how they lay. This definitely matters. So you want to make sure that you twist your twists to the left if you want them defined, and you also want them to spring back neatly. Anyway, you're going to pull out 1 spring twist out of your pack, and you're going to pull it simply just like this, and you're going to separate it. They are very easy to separate. If you catch yourself getting to the end and it's a little tangled, separates just like that. And do it with the other end as well. Like I said, you can twist your hair with just 1 twist. I didn't want my twist that thin because I didn't want to sit that long to braid my hair. This is 1 twist. This is 2 twists. This right here has 2 twists, as you can see. These are the 2 separate twists. I separated each twist. I put them together. One portion is a little bit longer than the other portion. Make them jagged, easier to grip. Here's my hair. New growth already, y'all. That's all I'm saying. Get ready to get with this oil. Also link in the bio. My favorite Cantu. Leave-in conditioner first. Just a little. So we did the oil, leave-in conditioner, comb. We take a little bit of gel. Make sure we get those ends and those edges, right? Stick correctly. You'll have a little braid at the top, a little plait at the top rather. I'm just separating this hair out, fluffing it. So you guys can see. And again, one side is a little bit longer than the other. You're still going to put it in the middle or wherever you started the braid. Now, you bring your braid over top of your hair. So that way, now you have 3 equal parts. And then you start plaiting. Hold your hair taut, not tight. You just want to grip it, right? You see that? So maybe like 4 times down. I think that's enough, right? So now what you want to do is take a clip. Trust me on this. You can clip it to another twist. If you haven't started another twist, just clip it and your head will stop the curve. But twist it and clip it like this. Because as you're twisting your hair, you're twisting the root. You don't want to cause that traction, right? You don't want to do that. You want to keep it. We want to keep our hair, right? So we can keep doing these cute braid styles and stuff. So I'm going to add some more gel down the shaft of the braid. So that way, not a lot. That way we can keep it in place. I'm actually going to turn these clips this way. You can grip that hair. And now we're going to take our hair, one little strand of hair, and I'm gonna just start twisting it in to one of the halves. I'm not separating it. It didn't really make a difference. And I think it'll be easier for me to take it down with just the one. So I have to be really careful when it's time for me to take it down, right? And again, what I was saying to you guys, twisting to the left. Now I'm twisting onto itself. You don't have to do that either. Also an option. So I'm twisting one of the twists into itself, and then I'm twisting down. Just one of them. The one that's in my dominant hand. You just keep on twisting. Alright. Trying to make sure you guys see to the very, very end. So this is a part, these sections have already been parted. One thing I did do, one thing that I would suggest, would totally advise you to pre-part it. So like pre-part your rows is what I mean by that. Before I go to sleep, lay me down in your bed of love, and I'll be sure to please you. Hold me close, hold me close, hold me close, hold me down, don't let me go. Let's move it slow. Hold me down in your bed of love, and I'll be sure to please you. Feel the flow of your skin over mine. Into life you take me out my mind. My body is yours, do what you like. So again, I'm put a little oil on the scalp. Right in the middle of that part, you see? Get in there. Look at all that new growth. Your girl been staying hydrated, okay? Staying hydrated and minding her business and taking care of her hair. Fill me up in your bed of love, and I'll be sure to please you. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing. Hit the top. And if you haven't subscribed yet, that's my spot where I receive. Let me receive. Yeah. Now we're close, connect as one, and I know that it pleases.